Hi YouTube. Little unboxing here from two different people. First person is Mick. I'm Mikey Bud and Taylor. His channel name is mjtmasterson from Northern Ireland. Very nice guy. Been around YouTube a good while. Anyway, it's not really an unboxing, it's more of a reveal because I unboxed it already, couldn't help myself. I unboxed it already, couldn't help myself. Anyway, look what he sent me. Wool blanket. Where is it? Oh, and there we go, wool blanket. I asked for green army wool blanket and he sent a green army wool blanket. Hi Andrew, hope the blanket is what you expected. Yeah. Green army, just like you said. Anyway, back to the note here. Hope the blanket is what you expect. You did say green. I did say green today, but I have also put in a few other items I had lying around. A small tin that has a surprise in it. Be careful, it's sharp. The alcohol burner was homemade. One alcohol burner. Cool. Alcohol burner. Gonna use that. And where's it? Look forward to seeing. Yeah, I look forward to seeing it. Look forward to seeing it in your videos. A large tin. It is great for making chocolate. Cool. Chocolate. Doesn't take too much room up in the kit bag. Send me a message when you unbox it as I want. Oh yeah. There he is, Mike mjtmasterson. Cool, look. Oh yeah, look at this, it's cool. Never have enough tins, people. Tin. Little tin. Ooh. Here's my chocolate tin. See, look, chocolate and everything. Look at this, now my son seen it today, or yesterday when I opened it. Ooh, look at that, that's cool. In the cooler. Ooh, cool. Cool, that's cool, love that. Look at that now. Green hairy wool blanket. Itchy to the ones that are itchy to the skin. That's gonna go perfect inside my hammock now. Give me a hammocky thing. I'm gonna put that in my hammock. Anyway. Dear unboxing. Well, that's a reveal as well. It's Mikey. Can you see that, bud? Jesus, this thing's fucking sharp, I tell you. There's your knife, bro. Bit of a sheet. See how the knife goes in? It goes in no other way but that way. Once again, sir. That's Mikey's new knife. I asked for a green wool blanket. I got a green wool blanket. And there's his knife now. Nice. Oh, put that down. And this is an unboxing from a guy called Steve. He's only new to YouTube. Couple of videos up. Go support him. His channel's name is strivetosurvive37. He got his knives the other day. He's really happy with them. That's anyway. Oh, now it's for a green wool blanket. And this is Cindy's impression of a green wool blanket. Nice green wool blanket. That's going to my hammock too. One's going to go on the bottom and the one's going to go on top. I just asked for a green wool blanket and obviously thought that wasn't enough, so he sent me a nice jacket. I don't think I'll be wearing it today, it's a bit warm. But anyway, look at that. Look. His channel's name is Strive to Survive. Steve, go look him up. And go look up mjtmasterson. Very nice guy. Take care, YouTube. Oh, wait. Then Mikey, there's your knife, bud, look. Nice little belt loop at the back. Very small belt loop because of the belt loop for the pants. But there's the knife, look. Thing's a bit of a beast. Cut me twice. Actually cut me once already. Anyway. Hope you like it, Mikey bud. Anyway, YouTube, video's long enough. Bye now. Till next time. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, Jesus, I forgot to say. I know some people can't understand me out there. There's nothing I can do about that. This is my accent. This is my voice. And this is to say thank you so much to all my new subscribers. Where did you all come from? Anyway, take care, YouTube. Thanks very much for all the subs.